Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Hagashitarik mentau benarampang arajar arpau. Ki MLA jong kasang Kongres, bagan top yu Zenet Sangma, uba HM Shangpliang, uba Mohindro Rapsang bat kiwe-kiwe. Kilahir syakasnong Sohra, ban Leit ngaulam bat pentingan, ye ka yeng kasem jong uba Lor Shah Nyuta, ubalong Dkhot jong ka Kasi Students Union, ubalado ya ka Jingïap, ha ka Jing Thombor ki Barjala, ha ka snong Ichamati, ha ka arpu pratrek, ubanai rempang, mentau snam arajar arpau. Hadin balawai ke jelang patba balakot pelong da ke KSU bat FKGGP banyala persya CEA bat dawa ILP hakani ke jela. Habaikran bat ke Batesi TV hakani ke sengi. Nakalyang ke MLA jong kaseng Kongres lengba u Zenet Sangma. Kila kentok jore ke sorkar Halor kani ke jingja. Namar bak klemla ban penbiang ikibor pahara. Ya ki patba kamtam haba ke sorkar ke lapa pulet ru syakathan Ichamati lapa eki klem ki tiarele ki babiang.
We felt very painful to know that unnecessarily one very active friend has succumbed to the injuries in the clash that was the fallout of the divisive policy made by the government of India, that is amended citizenship law. So that is because of the insensitiveness and because of the carelessness of the government. When this kind of protest programs are being organized, there should have been adequate securities deployed in the area. So when this is missing, so it is very much known to all of us that the government is very careless in terms of maintaining law and order. These things should be always foreseen by the government, by the police department, the law enforcing agency. When police forces are deployed without any weapon, what they will do? When this kind of crises are emerged in the area. So that is the clear evidence that that is because of the gross negligence and carelessness of the government.
Nakaliang ka party, ngipen remjur ya kani ke Jingïap. Ngipen remjur balai ba ngimpoi perkhat ba kibriu halakari la jong kin chong sir kumni bat hadu banda du kwe mensim te nakaliang ka sarkar ngisyam ba kalade bakan kitkhia haba don ki Jingïap ba protes ya kanu kakam ya kanu ka program tikila de ban penkre ya ki pulit lane nakano nakaliang ki magistrate ndrei kumno ba ngiyoi ba kini ka Jingïap khun ka sulong bet tang paramaki unsum don upulit kidon ki video ki bang nisham ba upulit usuyeng supet de kalong ke ka ba penlengo yangi kum kinong mikmat ni kentu ba ka sarkar ka diwan kitkhia ba ban wanra ya ka jing songsuk songsan ha ka sinong ka thau kum hasor shilong ru manin marsen pli curfew la shurung kulmar la shu kaladon ka retaliatory attack haki wei ki judgment rio te nakaliang jungi ni kwa ba ka sarkar kan te lakam ya kani lungdam ta kani ka kam ka sapoi kandang he bat ni nakaliang kinong mikmat ni kentu jur ya ki baru ba sobha ya songsuk songsan namar ya ke ka ba de ban le ka sarkar ka de ban tokit ka de ban pha da ki magistrate inquiry immediately bat bade ban pen sitom ya kum kita ki brio ki bashim ya ka an ha ka ti